Welcome to Everyday Cooking. Today we are going to make sooji laddus without white sugar. This will be very soft, will taste so good and will melt in your mouth. For this, add 2 tablespoons of ghee in a pan. To this, add few chopped cashew nuts and fry them. Fry the cashew nuts until they turn golden brown. Once the cashew nuts are ready, add few raisins. Once the raisins are done, add a cup of suji, that is semolina or rava. Fry this in medium flame for 2 to 3 minutes. After some 2 or 3 minutes of frying, you can add half a cup of scraped coconut. After adding the coconut, you have to fry this for another 4 to 5 minutes. For the flavor, let us add a pinch of cardamom powder. Five minutes of frying is over, let us add a pinch of salt and 2 teaspoons of ghee. You should add a pinch of salt for every sweet recipe, that will enhance the sweetness. Give a nice mix, you can saute this for about a minute. You will get a nice aroma by this time. Next we are going to add sugar. Here I am going to use cane sugar, you can add around 3/4 cup of it. Keep the flame low and give a nice mix. Let the sugar melt and mix with the semolina. Once you attain this consistency, you can switch off the flame. Now let this cool down a little bit. You have to make balls out of this once the heat is bearable. Press tight like this and make nice small balls. And here our laddus are ready. This will be soft and will taste so good. Do give a try. Hope you liked the recipe. We'll join you in another interesting recipe. Do like, share and comment our videos and don't forget to subscribe our channel.